Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to post idea video on Pinterest. Log into your Pinterest account. Click on the Add button right here and click on Pin. Click this and choose your file. Fill in the title description, link, board, and put tag topics. Once you've completed the data here, click on Publish. And your video has been published. Click View to see your pin. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!